Hello guys, welcome to another video. Let's begin. To get a free VPN on Google Chrome, you need to search this VPN Chrome extension. Scroll down until you see a website that says free VPN for Chrome VPN proxy VPN. You will see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it and wait a few seconds. Something else will appear asking you if you want to add it. Click Add Extension and wait until you get a notification that says the extension has been added. Now look at the top right of your screen, you will see a puzzle logo. Click on it and find the VPN extension. Click Continue and then click Start. Now click on the flag in the middle of the screen and you will see a couple countries. Pick the country you want to put your VPN in. Now press the power on button in the middle of the screen and wait for it to become green. Now you have successfully gotten a VPN for Google Chrome. Also please stick around for a couple seconds because I have a couple important announcements to make. First of all, I am going to upload an epic video when I reach 100 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss the video. Second of all, if you're getting a VPN to get protected from IP grabbers, you don't need to worry, because IP grabbers can barely do anything. The city name is incorrect 90% of the time. So if you're downloading a VPN to hide from IP grabbers, you don't need to worry about them at all. Anyways, my announcements are over. I'll see you when I reach 100 subscribers.